Welcome to Golden Brokers. I'm Ariff, and there is an interesting company that might have the potential to be your next pick. United Health Group, UNH, is a diversified healthcare company that provides health insurance coverage and healthcare services to individuals and employers worldwide through its two platforms. United Healthcare offers health insurance plans and services, while Optum provides health service and technology solutions. By having such an extensive member base and operating through these two well-established brands, UNH has positioned itself as a leading player in the health insurance and healthcare services industry. Looking at its history, United Health Group has grown rapidly since its founding in 1977 as United Healthcare Corporation, becoming the parent company of CharterMed Incorporated. After going public in 1984, the company achieved significant success in 1997, winning a $4 billion deal with AARP for its massive membership healthcare. Its major milestone came in 2003 when UNH became the largest health insurer in the United States, providing services, coverage, and products to over 40 million customers. This demonstrates UNH's rapid expansion and emergence as a leader in the healthcare industry over the course of just over 25 years that saw its market cap peak at $515 billion in 2022. UNH reported strong growth in Q2. Revenues were up 16% year-over-year to $92.9 billion. Net earnings increased to $5.47 billion or $5.82 per share, up from $5.07 billion or $5.34 per share a year ago. Adjusted earnings grew 10% to $6.14 per share. The growth was balanced across all business segments. Based on the strong first half performance, UNH raised its full-year earnings guidance. It now expects net earnings per share of $23.45 to $23.75, up from its prior outlook. It also increased its adjusted earnings per share forecast to $24.70 to $25 for the full year. UNH has shown steady profit growth over the past 3 years. Net income reached $20.12 billion in 2022 with a 6.21% profit margin. This reflects efficient cost management and a strong position in healthcare. The company has maintained a stable debt-to-asset ratio of around 65% in recent years. This suggests effective debt management to balance financial risks. UNH consistently generates robust cash flow, totaling $23.41 billion in 2022. This allows the company to cover expenses and make strategic investment while returning value to shareholders. Assets and liabilities have grown significantly, indicative of expansion, but monitoring the rate of asset growth compared to liabilities is key for long-term financial health. Overall, UNH appeared to be financially resilient due to consistent profit stability and strong cash flow, although there is the need to keep an eye on debt and asset liability balance. Analyzing the chart, the stock has been in a downtrend since late last year, with lowest highs and lower lows. The stock fell early this year before recovering ahead of its Q1 earnings, but then dropped again due to high claims from procedure that got delayed from the pandemic fiasco. In April, it formed a double bottom and rallied after a strong Q2 report. After that initial price rally, the price pulled back to about 61.8% of the peak as theories adjust and has started moving up again. Fibonacci theory indicates potential price targets of $525 to $543 for the next leg up. So overall, the stock appears to be emerging from its downtrend, and upside appears likely in the near term based on the technical indicators and moving averages. Easy to buy, United Health is a solid investment choice for several reasons. They're the biggest health insurers in the US, covering over 50 million members and boasting a 12% market share. This size gives them significant leverage when negotiating with healthcare providers on reimbursement rate. Plus, they receive over $3 billion in government bonus payments annually thanks to their large Medicare Advantage membership. What's more, United Health's business is nicely balanced between health insurance and health services, with their Optum Health Services division enjoying robust growth, particularly in areas like pharmacy service, health tech, and physician practices. Its diversification ensures steady revenues. Additionally, they are financially strong, with a history of increasing dividends for 14 years and consistently buying back billions in stock, which benefits shareholders and underscore their financial stability. All these factors make United Health a promising long-term investment in the healthcare sectors. In conclusion, UNH stands as a compelling investment within the healthcare sectors, marked by strong financial performance, a diverse revenue stream through its health insurance and health services division, and a favorable position as the largest health insurer in the United States. The company's recent growth, efficient financial management, and emerging technical indicators suggest potential upsides for investors. UNH's commitment to shareholder value further solidifies its appeal as a promising long-term investment that is worth looking into. Thanks for watching and happy trading.